Push-ups are one of those exercises which is simple and effective. You can easily do anywhere. It is an essential part of any workout, and people do it for various purposes. It's the easiest exercise, which activates every muscle in your body. But would you build your muscles and gain strength if you do 100 push-ups every day? Let's see what actually happens to your body if you do 100 push-ups daily.
Hi guys, welcome to Top News Age. Hit subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications from Top News Age. Today we're going to look at
what happens if you do 100 push-ups a day.
Let's get started. At number 1 we have
Number 1, increase the functional strength. When you're lowering yourself to the floor for push-ups, you're putting pressure on your body's different muscles, which is one of the top benefits of daily push-ups. All your body's major muscles are activated to support your body, including the bicep, core muscles, triceps, anterior deltoids, and lower body muscle group. You can train your most important muscles with these standard push-ups, which increases your body's overall functional strength.
At number 2 we have
Number 2, muscle stretching for health and vitality. Push-ups are one of the most beneficial exercises for your biceps and back muscles, as it provides a unique stretching to those muscles. When you move to the floor, your back's muscles are stretched, and when you move back to the starting position, your bicep muscles are fully stretched. It's the best way to improve flexibility, which also prevents you from injuries. You can also see the solid and attractive appearance of your muscles during stretching.
At number 3 we have
Number 3, enhance your cardiovascular system. Push-ups are a compound exercise which calls upon multiple muscle groups. Your heart needs to work harder during this activity, which enhances your cardiovascular system. It's a good way to support heart health and to reduce stored body fat. Within a few days of daily push-ups, you can easily feel your better heart condition.
At number 4 we have
Number 4, increase the whole body muscle definition. Your body releases more growth hormones when your muscle mass is utilized in the strength training exercise. Usually the youngster's body releases more specialized hormones to support the natural growth of the entire body than older adults. To maximize the benefits of the push-up, you need to turn this exercise into your regular strength training program.
At number 5 we have
Number 5, protect your shoulder from injury. Rotator cuff injury is one of the most common and debilitating injuries for older individuals, so protecting this delicate part of the body must be the first priority. It's found that standard push-ups are among the most effective ways to protect against shoulder joint injuries in older adults. Regular push-ups stabilize the muscles which surrounds the rotatory cuff joint. The strengthening of the primary and secondary muscles of the shoulder minimizes the risk of any shoulder injury.
At number 6 we have
Number 6, improve your posture. Improper posture can destroy any individual's health and comfort, which mainly depends upon the daily routine. Weak core muscles are one of the main reasons for the lack of proper posture. Your core can only hold your shoulders and back at a perfectly vertical position when it's strong enough. The standard push-ups are good to improve the posture by strengthening the core muscles. Your body will automatically lean to the proper posture with a proper routine of the push-ups, which is considered one of the most impressive push-up benefits.
At number 7 we have
Number 7, prevent lower back injuries. The lower back part is one of the main parts of the body as it supports every movement. So if it's injured or damaged, the simplest task becomes very painful. But you can do the daily push-ups to strengthen your back muscles, which prevent lower back injuries.
At number 8 we have
Number 8, save time while cultivating a strong back. Many individuals don't exercise due to lack of time as we are living a busy life. But people need to understand that exercising is essential for a healthy body and healthy mind. It is one of the most common eliminating activities by the individuals when they don't have enough time in their busy routine. Maybe you don't have time to go for traditional strength training, but you can easily achieve the full body workout with simple 5-minute push-ups. You can target the different muscles of your body with the different positions of hands and feet. It's a good way to support rapid strength and size development.
At number 9 we have
Number 9, increase the testosterone and reduce the osteoporosis development. Various hormones in men and women start to diminish gradually in size, strength, and growth with age. For men, the circulating testosterone starts to dwindle with age. Several studies suggest that testosterone production is promoted with a simple push-up movement, which is essential for both men's and women's good health. All the weight-bearing exercises like push-ups support stronger and dense bones, which is beneficial for skeletal system disorders like osteoporosis.
At number 10 we have
Number 10, improved upper body strength. Push-ups are perfect for improving the upper body strength as they challenge your upper half. The arms bending to lift the entire body is a perfect way to challenge the whole body, including the chest, front arms, back arms, shoulders, and upper back. The strengthening of these muscles is beneficial in your day-to-day activities. Types of push-ups. There are a lot of push-up varieties, which you can try to maximize the benefit. You can easily find out the push-up variations, which perfectly works for you. You can elevate your hands to make your push-ups easier and elevate your feet to make the push-ups harder than the traditional push-ups. Let's see some common types of push-ups.
At number 1, we have...
Number 1, hands elevated push-up. Take a low box, chair, or table and place your hands shoulder width apart, and assume the high plank position with your feet, knees, hips, and shoulders in a straight line. It's a starting position of the hands elevated push-ups. Pull your shoulder blades together to lower your chest to the box by bending your elbows. Use your palm pressing by straightening your arms to go back to the starting position to complete the 1 rep.
At number 2, we have...
Number 2, push-up. Lay down on the floor with a high plank position. Flat palms, hands shoulder width apart by making sure that shoulders are stacked directly above your wrists. Legs should be extended behind you and your core and glutes engaged. Start lowering your chest to the floor by bending the elbows. To complete the 1 rep, use your palms to push the floor with straight arms.
At number 3, we have...
Number 3, dead stop push-up. A dead stop push-up is a little bit the same as the simple push-up. Starting from high plank position, hands shoulder width apart, shoulders stacked directly above your wrists, legs extended behind you, and engaging core and glutes. To lower your chest to the floor, bend your elbows. You need to raise your hands when your chest touches the floor to make them dead stop push-up. Place your hands back to the floor and complete 1 rep by pushing your palms with straight arms.
At number 4, we have...
Number 4, decline push-up. Here you're going to place your toes on the box, bench, or chair with a flat palm on the floor by holding a high plank position. Your hands shoulder width apart. Shoulders stacked directly above your wrists, and core and glutes should be engaged to get the starting position. Lower your chest to the floor by bending the elbows. Complete 1 rep by pushing your palms with straight arms. Number 1, increase the functional strength. Number 2, muscle stretching for health and vitality. Number 3, enhance your cardiovascular system. Number 4, increase the whole body muscle definition. Number 5, protect your shoulder from injury. Number 6, improve your posture. Number 7, prevent lower back injuries. Number 8, save time while cultivating a strong back. Number 9, increase the testosterone and reduce the osteoporosis development. Number 10, improved upper body strength.
Hope you enjoyed our video. Please like, comment, and share it. See you all in the next one. Thank you. Bye.